Girl, somewhere to play. I'm the blueprint to a real man. Some of these niggas talk, they tassel for a deal, man. I ain't going to hell or the hill, man. For my real fans, I got caught up with a little thing. Can't stop me, don't slow me though. Yeah, niggas famous, you don't know me though. But their DJs still play me though. Them I don't even need the radio. My new shit sound like a rodeo. Got an old folks dancing a dope dope. They fuck around, find me though.
What is up, YouTube? It's Jermaine Seadoo Life, back at it again. I know it's been a while, but you know, it's winter in Australia, so you can't go out every weekend, you know, because it's, you know, cold. And I think last weekend it was like massive swell, like it was like dangerous conditions, like 50k winds, and like, yeah, it wasn't the greatest conditions last week. So yeah, we're out this weekend though, as you can see. Fucking mint. Got 3 of us out today. Got my cousin, got my mate Steve. So yeah, should be good. Be sure to make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more jet skiing content. You know, if I get like 50 likes on this video, I will post weekly, and I'll guarantee that. All right. Well, it looks so stupid, this thing on. Things you do for YouTube, man. It's an outgoing tide. Wow, we are out, boys. We are freaking out. Can you believe it? Jermaine Seadoo Life is posting. Why do you always need to pee, bro? It's so...
I had to go, I was at home, I was like, oh no, I'll be right, like, I'm supposed to go when I'm
You can't even last 2 minutes before you have to do it first. So yeah, guys, I know it's been a while, but yeah, Babe's back. You know, in winter time in Australia, it's not the best time to go out, but you know, you get those one weekend where it's like really nice, like it is this weekend. It's what? It is a bit clear, eh? Yeah. Oh, that's cold! Oh shit! Jeez Louise! Let's keep going up.
After all of these decisions, all these miles, feet, inches, they can't add up to the distance that I have been through just to get to a place where even if there's no closure, I'm still safe. I still ache from trying to keep pace. Somebody give me a sign, I'm starting to lose faith. Tell me how did all my dreams turn to nightmares? How did I lose it when I was right there? Now I'm so one taste.